Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off transparency effects on your iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, so let's open settings and you want to scroll to accessibility, and under the vision tab you want to find option display in text size and go to option reduce transparency, and you want to toggle this on. This will remove the frosted glass effect in all the menus, control center, all the backgrounds, replacing them with solid colors. So let's go to control center right here, and as you can see I have solid color in the background, but if it was switched off you can see that it's half clear, and you can see silhouettes of what I have in my background. So you want to turn it on, and that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.